Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for AP Calculus BC. First, ensure you have a strong grasp of all AB calculus topics, as they form the foundation. Then, dive into the BC-specific content like sequences, series, and parametric equations. Consistent practice is key. Work through many problems to solidify your understanding. Familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including the types of questions and time limits for each section. To study effectively, regularly review key theorems and definitions. This reinforces your knowledge and helps with recall during the exam. Solving past AP exam questions is crucial. It exposes you to the question styles and difficulty levels you'll encounter. Consider forming a study group to discuss challenging problems and share insights. A consistent study schedule, perhaps 1 to 2 hours daily, will build momentum and prevent last-minute cramming. For the BC-specific material, dedicate significant time to sequences and series, especially Taylor and Maclaurin series. Understand their convergence tests thoroughly. Vector-valued functions and polar coordinates also require focused practice to master. Don't hesitate to use online resources, such as Khan Academy or college-level textbooks, for alternative explanations and more practice problems. These resources can clarify complex topics and offer different perspectives. As the exam approaches, take several full-length practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual experience. This helps with pacing and endurance. Review all essential formulas and calculator techniques, ensuring you're proficient with your graphing calculator. Get a good night's sleep before the exam and eat a healthy breakfast. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Good luck on your AP Calculus BC exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.